Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Sakshi.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
How can I help you today?
I am not feeling well. I have a headache and sore throat.
Since when are you feeling like this?
From yesterday morning.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a cough and cold?
I have a cold and my nose is blocked.
Okay. Let me check your temperature first. You have a mild fever and throat infection, but nothing serious.
Is it due to weather change?
Yes, it can be. You need rest and medicines.
What should I do now?
I will give some medicine. Take them twice a day after meals.
Okay, doctor.
Drink warm water and avoid cold drinks. You will feel better in 2 and 3 days.
Thank you, doctor.
Take care and come back if it doesn't improve.
Thank you, doctor.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Kumari.
And my name is Kajal.
So we are the student of Rioel Education. Today we are going to perform a role play.
Let's start.
Good morning ma'am, welcome to our store. Please let me know if you need any help.
Good morning. Thank you. I'm looking for a formal shirt.
Sure, for office wear or for special occasion?
For office wear.
Alright, what size and color do you prefer?
Medium size, preferably light blue or white.
Great choice. These are our latest collection. The fabric is very comfortable and easy to maintain.
This one looks perfect. What is the price?
The original price is 1500, but today you will get a 25% discount.
That sounds good. Can I try it on please?
Sure, the trial room is right behind you.
It fit me well. I really like it.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to check some matching trousers or belt as well?
No, thank you. I will take only the shirt.
Sure. How would you like to make the payment? Cash, card or UPI?
I will pay by card.
Sure. Here is your bill and your carry bag.
Thank you for your help.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil
My name is Rajvi.
and I am a student of Rioel Education and we are going to perform a role play on the topic of booking a flight. Hello ma'am, welcome to Tripsy Travel Agency. How may I help you?
I'd like to book a flight to Mumbai, please.
Which airline would you like to use ma'am?
Which is the cheapest?
Okay, let me see. Okay, Indigo is the best cheapest airline to Mumbai at around 3600 per person. And when do you want to travel ma'am?
Next week, the 15th Feb.
Okay, would you like a return ticket too?
Yes, I'm coming back on the 22nd. How long does the Indigo flight take?
Total 3 hours ma'am.
That's fine.
How many seats do you want?
Just a one. And could I have non-vegetarian meals?
Certainly there is no extra charge for this ma'am.
Thank you, Rioel Education, for giving us wonderful platform
We are strongly recommend to all my friends.
who want to improve their English and build confidence. So come and learn English. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal
And my name is Palak.
We are the student of Rioel Education. Today we are going to perform a role play. So, the topic is asking for help.
Let's start. Excuse me, please.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm sorry to disturb you. Could you please tell me how to reach the bus station?
Sure, go straight for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then turn right at the traffic signal. You will see the bus station next to the hospital.
Thank you so much. Is it very far?
No, it's quite near. You can easily walk.
That is very helpful. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Shani.
My name is Nisha.
We are a student of Rioel Education. Today we are going to perform a role play that shows how a shy student become confident.
Let's start.
Hey Nisha, can I talk to you for a moment?
Sure, Chani, you seem a bit worried. What's on your mind?
I feel very uncomfortable in speaking class. Whenever the teacher asks me question in English, I get scared and stay silent.
I can totally relate. I can feel the same way earlier.
Seriously, it's hard to believe you speak English so fluently now. What helped you change?
I joined Rioel Education, that the teacher there are very friendly nature and motivate me to without fear speaking.
How was it different from other classes?
We practice Everyday group discussion, role play and fun activities, they always remind us mistakes are normal, help us improve.
That sounds encouraging. Did it really help you gain confidence?
Yes, it did. Slowly I start feeling nervous and starting with enjoying speaking English.
I want that confidence too. I don't want fear to control me anymore.
That's right attitude, Chandni. With proper guidance and practice, anyone can become a confident.
Thank you, Nisha. I have decided to join Real Education and give my best.
From fear to confidence, the right guidance can change everything.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayush.
My name is Sunny Kumar.
We are the student of Real Education. Today we are going to perform a role play, Finding a Flat. So let's start. Hi sir, what can I do for you?
I am looking for a flat.
Okay sir, I will help you with it. There is a flat on the second floor. It has 2 bedrooms and large living room. And the kitchen and bathroom has recently refitted.
Does it have a parking area?
No, but there is plenty of unrestricted parking nearby.
How much is it?
It's 50,000, but I believe owner would give some discount.
How long is the lease?
There is no lease, sir. You can just only pay 1 month advance amount.
Could I have a look, please?
Sure, sir.
It's good.
Finally, I would like to thank for Real Education to give me opportunity to present myself, and a special thanks to Randeep sir to give me support and motivation. So thank you, sir.